and good evening. Excellencies, today marks another important chapter in Fiji's foreign relations as we strive to expand and coordinate our relations through strengthened engagements and friendship. It is my pleasure to welcome you all tonight, especially to our visiting heads of missions from Canberra and Wellington, your dear spouses and officials that are here with us. We are honored to be graced by your presence and we warmly welcome you once again. Tonight speaks a lot to the progress we have made over the years. As I mentioned earlier today, this familiarization visit is the first of its kind, but it has also set a platform for future visits. This visit is an outcome of the evolved relations between Fiji and our bilateral partners. I have no doubt that our relations will ascend to greater heights, not least because of this familiarization program, but with the recognition of the need for closer cooperation in order to tackle global challenges. Excellencies, we are in an era where sustainable development is the buzzword for our national economies and the international community. As comprehensive and challenging as the Sustainable Development Goals 2030 are for all of our nations, there is an equal assurance we feel in the realization that we have close allies, friends, and indeed partners who are able and willing to assist us achieve those goals. The strong presence of our resident missions and diplomatic corps in Suva, and of course the visit this week by non-resident heads of missions based in Canberra and Wellington is an expression of faith in the cooperative environment that the Fijian government has been determined to provide and nurture. I am informed that the sessions today have been informative and your interaction with our officials and representatives were extensive and rich. And being there myself amongst you today for a few minutes during your Talanoa session, it was clear to me that the information and knowledge shared were focused and well thought out. On that note, I want to commend all our government agencies and partners, permanent secretaries, senior officials, the private sector, and women groups who participated in and supported this familiarization program through sponsorships, presentations, and sharing knowledge with the visiting heads of missions. I am sure you would have gained a deeper understanding of Fiji in terms of our foreign policy, economy, trade, investment, and other sectors. I trust we have provided enough to inspire and encourage you, and in turn, your respective capitals to consider establishing new or enhanced programs of bilateral cooperation with Fiji. As I said this morning, just one area of cooperation between your respective countries and Fiji would go a long way to strengthening our bilateral relations. With 2 more days left on your program of familiarization, I ask that you share with the Fijian cuisine. I note that this hotel, GPH has sought to offer some of that to us with their menu tonight, and thank you, Peter and the team. Enjoy the moment, the sights of Fiji, and most of all, the people that you will meet. I believe you will all enjoy your time here through the experiences that you will have. Excellencies, I hope that this visit will be a memorable one, and you have come to know Fiji better than you did before. I hope you will visit again soon with a partnership agreement for strengthened engagement. And I hope that we have convinced the wives enough, because I think the wives have a lot to say about your next return to your trip to Fiji. Have a safe trip back to your respective home locations and enjoy the evening. God bless you all.